Understanding, Be Self-Conscious, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used but often misunderstood phrase, be self-conscious. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and provide examples to help you grasp this concept fully. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning of being self-conscious. Self-conscious is an adjective that describes a state of being overly aware of and concerned about how one is perceived by others. It often implies a sense of discomfort or anxiety about one's appearance, actions, or general presence in a social setting. When someone is self-conscious, they might feel like they are being watched or judged, which can affect their behavior and confidence. This phrase is commonly used in everyday language to describe feelings in social situations. For example, you might hear someone say, "I'm feeling really self-conscious about my speech tomorrow," indicating they are nervous about how they'll be perceived while speaking. Understanding this phrase helps in empathizing with others and expressing personal anxieties in social interactions. Let's look at some examples to understand better how "be self-conscious" is used. After her haircut, she became very self-conscious about her appearance. He's self-conscious about his accent when speaking English. They were self-conscious about their performance in front of the large crowd. These examples highlight how the phrase is applied in different scenarios, emphasizing personal awareness and concern about others' perceptions. While being self-conscious is a natural feeling, it's important to learn ways to overcome it for better social interactions and self-esteem. Strategies include focusing on the present moment rather than worrying about others' judgments, practicing self-compassion and understanding that everyone has insecurities, engaging in activities that build confidence and reduce anxiety. That's a wrap on Be Self-Conscious. I hope this video helps clarify this phrase's meaning and usage in English. Remember, being self-conscious is a common feeling, but with understanding and practice, it can be managed effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content.